Hello my friends, this is Lucy with Flute Art from Macrame Elegance, and these are the colors for our bloom today. We have, this is a custom color, it's kind of like a blue lavender. We have Sapphire Metallic by Deco Art. We have Gold Bright, and this is a custom color for the leaves. Now I've been having problems with my PPG. I've been doing paintings all morning and none of them have worked out. So I put that can away because I think it's my paint, and I opened a new can. So let's hope that we have better luck. So instead of doing a larger one like I was doing this morning, I'm just doing a smaller one. All right. Okay. I'm going to try to make 2 small blooms. You know what? I need to, there we go. Whoop. Don't want it coming off the edge yet. Let me put just a little, no, let's just work with that. Want my blooms close together. I'm trying to learn exactly how close they need to be. Because I'm not really sure yet. Okay, and before I do anything else, let me put my leaf down. All right, we'll see if it's too close, too far away. I don't know. Let me pop some bubbles. Okay. I'm going to be using my miniature hair dryer. Really small, world's smallest, that's what they call it. I get it on Amazon. I hold it upside down to do this. I can already see that things are moving better with this PPG. I don't want it. Don't want it off the edge yet. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Deco Art Sapphire. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit in the middle and then around the edge. Okay, now I'm going to put a little gold in the middle. And let's blow this out. Oh, cell activator is going to be black. Okay, let's do the next one. was kind of a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till the black is gonna settle up a little bit. I'll wait a few seconds, minutes. Already I see I'm not getting lots of bubbles like with the other paint. Mix the petals. Okay. Whoops. Ooh. Well, that will probably come off anyway. I just kind of like to all right, that's looking nice, much better. I think all my paintings this morning, the problem was the pillow paint. We'll see as this spins out. The paint, it was making my paint lots of white spots, but also just kind of cracking up. Okay, let's slowly spin this out. Okay. looking good. Oh, that's looking very pretty. I like that. I like the color combo. I actually like this this color for the leaves. I was using the Viridian and the sap green, and I do like that also, but this is a kind of a softer look, which I like. Let me see how much paint is left in the middle here. I think it's okay. Well, finally for the day I get one that I like, I'm happy with. And I can see the paints are not breaking up, so it was that pillow paint. I was worried that it was the Sapphire Metallic by Deco Art, since that's not a high quality paint, but that's not it, so I like this. Okay, next, let's do a bigger one. Let's go to the 11 by 14. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Well, I will see you on the next painting. I'll get you a close up and then let's go bigger, okay? Let's do this together.